My name is Sue Bird. I work part-time at Worcester College teaching hairdressing level 1 and 2. I'm going to talk to you today about creative colour and also demonstrate to you some creative colour. Creative colour is about thinking outside of the box and being individual. It's a great way of giving a traditional hairstyle a kick or making an up-to-date cut even funkier and eye-catching. Your colour choice is right through from your blacks right to your platinum silvers. You can use coppers, violet reds, any colour range that you want. The more striking and bold the colours are, the more striking the look's going to be, and that's really what creative colouring is about. You can use permanent colours or you can use semi-permanent if you just want it to be like a high fashion look and then remove it. The techniques used in creative colouring are your traditional weaves, your slices and your block colouring. Those are your more traditional styles that you can use, or you can use modern techniques like duo colouring, 3D highlights, dip dyeing or even hidden colour. My model today is Natalia, and as you can see she has got colour on her hair at the moment. She's slightly growing out on the top. I've carried out a full consultation with my client today and we've discussed what she likes and what she doesn't like, and also the impact on your lifestyle of having something that is quite high fashion and also a commitment budget wise and time wise. So it's really important that she's able to maintain her new look and also that it reflects her personality. We've actually decided that what we're going to do is do some hidden colour underneath in slices, okay, so that the colour is actually coming down in pieces on angles underneath all the way around the head, but the actual main colour is still going to be this warm chocolate brown. So first of all I'm now going to section the hair. So we're going to do it at an angle. So we take nice clean sections. Okay, so as you can see we've got that nice sharp V angle at the back going up on the sides. Okay, so we're going to start on the one side here, taking slices. If I took just weaves, they tend to just mingle in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is take some nice big slices so she gets a real flash of colour. Okay, so keeping it on the angle, nice and tight to the root. Make sure the hair's nice and tight. Okay, folding it over. There you go, so that's your first section in. I'm going to carry on that section. Next one I'm going to take is actually a blonde one. I am going to leave pieces of hair in between so that she does get a little bit of her colour, natural colour in it. It's really important as well to remember what colour you've started at so that the next side you'll just repeat what you did on this side. Okay, nice and close to the root. Okay, so we can leave that down and then move on to our next section. You can actually see there's quite a build-up of product on the end of this hair, but I've actually used a 30 vol peroxide with this Vera Ultra just to make sure that I get through that colour build-up on the end and that it is quite a nice vibrant toffee. So I think this will be our last one on this section. I'm just going to put a last blonde. So this is a bleach foil that's going in on the nape. Okay, so we've got our two sections now done. So we're going to be working on this back section down here. Again, just another section. She's going to be, her base colour's been pinned up, and this is going to be another blonde one. The Vero Ultra colours can actually look quite a strange colour when you're applying them. They don't look the colours that they come out on the box until the hair's processed. So don't be a little bit worried if some of it looks a little bit greeny when you're putting it on. Okay, so we've now just got the last section to do. Just turn it around and we'll come over to this side. Okay, so we've now finished and we've actually got all our foils in around the hair. What we're going to do now is we're just going to put a couple of foils in the fringe there just to break it up, and we're just going to put some of the toffee colour in. We're going to just keep the blonde in the sides and around the back and the toffee, and just put some toffee in the front, so it's not actually that bright. What I'm going to do is, instead of doing slices, I'm actually going to do weaves, so it's just softer on the fringe area.